Hello boys, it is January 1, 2025 and it is perfect time to say this quote. New year, new me. Oh, anyway, we can just put here large. Let's make this square rectangle and put this in the middle. So, position absolute margin. Let's put this in the middle first. Margin auto inset 0. Then the size. The height is 180 pixel. I've already done this, so this is just recap. 300, 320. Alright, now we need to actually exchange their color. So the body or the background color, give the body a background color of green, and this rectangle a background color of white. Okay, now that's perfect. So before we proceed, we can name this element rect. This is an empty attribute, so an attribute that does nothing. It is just for a quick, so we don't need to use class anymore. Okay, next thing is the overlay. You can just put over here. That's what I think. We will create this vertical rectangles. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of them. Let's start with in the middle. So over. And you know what? I can just copy this now. And then the color is this green. Reduce the size. The height, maybe reduce it by 40 pixel. 60 pixel. Okay. And then the width is 40 pixel. And move this to the bottom. Actually, let's increase this by 10 and move this to the bottom. So put 4 zeros here on the inset with spaces. This does mean that it has 4 parameters and positive value here in the first parameter. 50. So 50 pixel to the bottom and also 50 pixel to the left. Okay, not quite. Let's check the difference. 60, 40. Alright, and this is actually 40. Oh, let's increase the size or the height of this overlay. Okay, now that's looking good. Next is to create this top left overlay. So instead of saying or creating over 1, over 2, this is over 3, over 4, over 5, over 6, we can just put one element name over, and from here we can just make a copy of this that would represent this, the remaining 5 overlays. This is repetitive. I've done this in the previous video, so we don't need to explain. Just say box shadow, but basically that's how it is. That's the idea behind. This is just like a copy of the first overlay. No, for now let's put 0, 0, 3 zeros and the background color green. Okay, so the first parameter holds the horizontal value, so we need to put this on the left side. So negative value, negative 100 pixel, and to the top negative 50 pixel. That's not the not quite 100. 120. Let's put the cursor here so we can tell the difference if it is close. 110. Okay, and move this to the right side slightly. 80. Okay, then comma. This is for the bottom right. So just copy this top right and invert the vertical position. I mean the vertical position. This is the horizontal, the first parameter. Then reduce the offset by 20 pixel. Actually, that's 30 by 40 pixel. Okay. Now let's create the fourth overlay. This one on the right side. So comma, paste here the first overlay, and you know what? We can just invert this horizontal offset, and from here, oh, this is actually on the right place already, so we can just increase this by something like this, 90 pixel, 30, 40, 50, yeah, 40. Okay. We can just also repeat the same thing for this right top and the bottom right top, this top right. Paste and positive value. This is 120, 140, 60, okay, 160. Do the thing, and yeah, that seems perfect to me. No need to adjust. Comma and paste again. Just copy this first parameter and move this to the bottom. Increase the size, increase the offset by 40 to 40 pixel to negative 40, 0, 10, 20. Okay, so this is positive 40, 70. Yep, that does the thing, and we're done. That's just how it is. Wait for it, and yep, another 100%. So that's it. See you for the next one.